In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Windows 11 language. First, let's start by opening the settings. You can do this easily by pressing the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. When you press these keys, a new window will pop up. This window is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Windows experience. You will see a clean interface with multiple options available. It is important to know how to access the settings, as this is where you will make all necessary changes to your system's language. Once the settings window is open, you are ready to move forward. Next, look at the left sidebar of the settings window. You will find several options listed there. Click on the option labeled Time and Language. This section is crucial because it houses all settings related to time formats, regions, and, most importantly, languages. As you click on this option, the screen will adjust to show you more specific settings. You will see options that help you manage how your computer interacts with different languages. This step is key to making sure your language preferences are properly set up. Now focus on the right side of the window. Here, you will see a selection called Language and Region. Click on this option to proceed. This area is essential for changing your display language, input methods, and regional formats. You will also notice that this section allows you to see the languages currently installed on your system. Selecting this option is a significant step because it leads you to the core of the language settings. It is reassuring to know you are on the right path to making your Windows experience more comfortable. Next, find the button labeled Add a Language located next to Preferred Languages. Click on this button to continue. This action opens a new window that will allow you to add a new language to your system. It is important to click this button because it enables you to expand your language options beyond what is currently available. You will see a prompt encouraging you to explore different languages. This is a straightforward step that will make a big difference in your user experience. In the new window, you will find a search bar. Type the name of the language you want to install into this search bar. As you type, suggestions will appear below. Select your desired language from the list that populates. After making your selection, click Next. This step matters because it ensures that you are installing the correct language pack you want to use. You will see the language you selected highlighted, confirming your choice. This is a reassuring moment as it means you are one step closer to changing your Windows language. Finally, after clicking Next, you will see an Install button. Click Install to begin downloading and installing the language pack. This final step is crucial because it finishes the process of adding the new language to your system. Once you click Install, the system will start working in the background to set everything up for you. You might see a progress indicator showing that the installation is in progress. This means your changes are being applied, and soon you will have a new language ready to use. Now that you have completed all the steps, you have successfully changed the language in Windows 11. Remember, customizing your language settings can greatly enhance your experience. Enjoy your newly configured Windows environment.